Hi everyone, so this is going to be a super short video that will show you how to turn a Google slideshow into an animated kind of stop motion video, like so. Ready? All right, so the first thing you need to do is set up your scene. So you need pictures, you need a background, that kind of thing. So I would search for the images online. You can go right from here. This is what I like to do, insert image, and then just search for it, and you search for what you want. Now here are my pointers. One, when you search for the image, like my little fish here or my line, I search for like fish transparent or line transparent. So you end up having nothing else in the background besides the fish or whatever it is. Second thing is I like to include animated GIFs because they already kind of move around and it just, I think, makes it kind of cool. So consider doing that. And the third thing is you have to do a background. So hopefully you know how to insert a background, but if not, you would just go to slide, change background, and then same thing. Choose your image, you can search the web for space or whatever you want to do, and it'll make the image background that you probably want for your setting your scene. All right, now you have your scene all set. Now it's just making it, and you're gonna see it's easy but tedious. So all you do is make a copy of this slide. So you can do Control D, and it'll make a copy. And it's exactly the same. Then all you have to do is just make sure this new slide has one minor change to it. So if you look at my minor change, I put in an extra word. In the next slide, copy, new word, and that's it. So you can add new words. And you'll see over here, I was done adding words, so I wanted to make a move. So I entered a new slide, made a move just a little bit, but the whole point, you have to make a move very, very little at a time. All right, so then you can make a move. You'll see later on, after he talks right now, I make him grow, so I make him get bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's the idea. Just new slides and just change it little by little. So the possibilities are kind of endless here. And then, of course, my little fish goes away there. So then after you make it, the most important thing, I think, is how do you share it out so people can view it? So what you have to do is you go to File, Publish to Web. So I already did mine, so yours might look a little different. But you click these two things, and then choose a second. And this will give you, you'll have to hit like Publish to Web, and it'll probably say OK, and then it'll give you a link. So now once you have your link, we're almost done. You go up and you pop it in here. But as is right now, you can see it says 1,000, which is basically 1 second, 1,000 milliseconds, I think. That's still going to be too slow. So what I like to do is take off 1 0, so it's 100. And then now you just enter it, and it should start playing pretty fast. And there's my stop motion video, just like that. And you can adjust that time if you really want 300, or if, you can play around with that number to find that perfect spot that works for you. And that's it. So enjoy making your stop motion video. I think you're going to find it's pretty easy and pretty enjoyable.